This video tutorial will show you how to use user-defined plants in the vegetation module of your wetland determination data forms. So as you can see here, I'm already in the data form window inside the vegetation module as indicated by this tab. So if I scroll down here to an open stratum, we'll come to the select plant dropdown. What I will do is type in a plant that does not appear on the 1988 or 1996 lists. So as you can see here, my video plant gives no matches, as there are no such plants on the list. So I tab out of this field, and I get a warning here that says that this plant, since it is user-defined, will have an indicator status of upland by default, but you can always change this. So now what I will do is save the data form, just so we can see how this works. I'll click Save. So now the data form is saved, I'll come back down, and now in a different row here, I'll type in my video, and what you can see is that my video plant comes up in a yellow color. Now what this means is that your video plant or your user-defined plants are saved into the database, which means you can easily come and select this plant again. So I'll click OK to the warning message here about upland. So a last thing to note with user-defined plants is that these plants are saved not only for this project or for this data form, but for all your projects and all of your data forms, and if you're in a corporate account, for all of your users within that account as well. So if user A adds some plants to their list, in a separate project, user B will have access to the same plants. So it's not as if you're constantly entering in plants that don't exist on these lists. So that's how you use the user-defined plants in the vegetation module of your wetland determination data forms in CoreJD.